Here is what appears to be the perfect Toiletries 19. This pouch is waitlisted on the website. It likely will not come back in stock, and it's a beloved piece that everyone wants, so the resale price on it is well over retail, new or old. Exterior is excellent. Interior, not so much. It has the sticky lining that has deteriorated. So right now the bag isn't usable. The sticky will get on your hands, it'll get on your items that you place inside. Have options, of course, and we've shown you before. You could remove the sticky, and actually you could completely remove the lining, which actually there's nothing wrong with removing the lining, because if you look at the pochette accessories, the interior is the backing of the canvas, and that's what this would look like. And if you're going to use a bag, you might as well get a good deal on one that has the better canvas, just doesn't have a good lining. If you see one, grab it. Take a minute, grab it, make sure that the exterior is fine, and then deal with the interior. Easy, anyone can do it. And you've got plenty of members on here that would coach you through it. So sharing this lovely piece,